Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper for Chevy's 07 to 18 Silverado 1500. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing rear bumper. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 2. Using a 21mm wrench, 22mm socket, and a 17mm socket, install the bumper brackets using 4 out of the 8 M14 bolts and nuts, as well as one M10 bolt, nut, and 2 washers on each side. Step 3. With the help of a friend, lift the bumper up to the brackets. Using the remaining 4 M14 bolts and nuts, insert the bolts into the bumper brackets. Snug down, but do not tighten the mounting bolts. Adjust the bumper as desired, and tighten all the bolts down with the 21mm wrench and 21mm socket. Step 4. Install your license plate lights with the included plastic push pins, trailer connector, and license plates using the included M6 bolts and nuts. Secure the wire harness and verify function. The license plate light is just the push tab. Note: our bumper includes provisions for the 14 and 18 Silverado license plate lights. If your truck is older than a 14, you'll have to purchase a newer style license plate light to accommodate. And you're done.